What's up, guys? I forgot our intros. So today, I'm gonna teach you how to make something like this. Like something like this. Enough of that. Now, okay. Let's go. Well, I borrowed this. I borrowed the sound effects from my friend. Give it to him. Now, let's start with whatever monster. I'm gonna get this monster named Spike. Let's just get it over with.
Trust my love, sir. She gon' call me baby boo.
For this video idea, shout out to this TikTok.
Shout out to Kringly0, the TikToker. Now for this part, worry about it, cause I was meant to show it on that part, but whatever. Shut the f.
It's not Animate. Now, here. It says group for a reason. There's a trigger block right here. Let's disconnect it because you don't need that noise. Now, let's make the blocking sound of yours. Now, we need these two blocks. And it's covered too. And also, before that, when you make a block like this, do not leave it just like this. Make it like passable. So that like, whatever. But I'm gonna make my noise. Alright. We got this set up. What am I doing? Two. Just wait. Can we? Meow. 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 And we put it to you. No. We put you right here, right for now. Now, we slide that and group it. Now, you should get something like that. We get. Let's get to Animate. Now, we're finished animating. This is what we got right now. Let's put you right here. Now we got this. We're gonna see what this is gonna sound like. 3, 2, 1. Made one like this. This is what I took from. Give him credit. Oh, I remember now. Now I remember.